Enipa betimi akeka nsɛmfo afa ho. As a believer, as a Christian, your composure. 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 Compose yourself. Ufa Uber driver ne ne kasa ni adie na nanke wo TV mano. But compose. As one making enipa bebre nya bi anko mawari emu. Yeah. How to compose yourself. It will be betimi a mini skirt ababe gina menim. Na dear me, it simply means that before the Lord brings me here, He has purged me of all kinds of appetites. Oh, enga, there wouldn't be so many beautiful people gathered here. Yeah, and Sana will be my favorite. I say, we are to the consul or yet you make it. I don't know you who are trained freedom. Me pay, me, you know, at one son yet was a metal. You were be cheerful. This is why Paul could say, I know how to abound, how to abase. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I love the part that he said, in all things I am instructed. Dear word, no use, no. In all things I am instructed. Instructed means sit down, and that is the instruction. Flee fornication, that is the instruction. In all things I am instructed. It won't mean Casabo Fraden in a Hosha share. What was Sia? What Jimmy? What minute would need to would you drink cheer? Tia? Wouldn't mean Caswad and Hosha share. I cannot be a pastor and say that because we be bar Sunday school, not in a Hosha share. What's nonsense? That's nonsense. That's nonsense. One on Congress mana domning was also a yet day, and no would me cross over boundary. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Many years ago, almost about 5 years ago, I was standing here, and the bodyguard of a minister of state came here and told me, sir, my boss's wife has dragged me into an affair. We have done this for almost about 4 years, and I can't do it anymore. I want to stop, but my boss's wife says no. I said, who is your boss? Mention the honorable minister to me.